Good day, Ma'am Sir. By the way, my name is Geraldine Cesario Romero, 26 years old. I am a high school graduate with vocational courses of bread and pastry and electronics. I had a partner blessed with 2 kids, aged 9 years old boy and 3 years old girl. I had 4 years experience working here in the Philippines as a maid in Taguig with a married couple, 3 children and 1 baby. My main duties with them is taking care of baby and children. I also do cooking, cleaning the house, laundering, ironing, sometimes marketing, gardening, and car washing. My dear employer, if you will choose me as your helper, I can take care of baby to children, preparing nutritious food, drop and pick up in school, reading books, play with them, and proper care if they had a sick. I can do also singing while dancing nursery rhyme to teach baby some learning song. I know how to deal with time management while taking care of your baby or children while doing all household chores. Ma'am sir, I am a hardworking, patient, honest, I can work independently, and I am a fast learner. Ma'am sir, thank you for your time to watch my video. I hope that I will meet you soon. Thank you, Ma'am sir.